Welcome back, friends. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to share with you my natural brightening face mask. This mask is perfect for all skin types and it's made with ingredients that help improve the appearance of your skin over time. So I'm going to show you my process step by step how I make this mask. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. And I also sell my products on my website. I'll have that linked in the description box if you want to check that out. So let's jump right in. I'm going to get started weighing out all my ingredients, and I'll have the complete recipe listed in the description box. All you have to do is click on the arrow sign below the title and you click on more, and all the information will be listed there. So I'm getting started with kaolin clay. So kaolin clay helps with acne, dry skin, and it helps to absorb excess oil. And I really like using kaolin clay because it's mild and gentle, perfect for sensitive skin. You can also use something like bentonite clay. There are so many different clays out there, but you can also use bentonite clay. Next is colloidal oats. This helps to hydrate your skin, it helps with dry skin, and it reduces inflammation on your skin. You can also use regular oatmeal, just grind it up really well to a nice fine powder. I'm adding in some coconut milk. This is good for moisturizing your skin. It also soothes your skin. Very good for dry, irritated skin as well. And it also helps to improve the complexion and appearance of your skin. I'm adding in some turmeric powder. This is one of my favorite ingredients. This helps with improving your skin's appearance, the skin tone, hyperpigmentation, dull skin, and it is rich with antioxidants and it's also anti-inflammatory. Next is honey powder. So this moisturizes your skin and it also helps to cleanse your skin, and it's also great for acne. And I'm adding in some orange peel powder. So this is packed with antioxidants, it's rich in vitamin C, so it's going to help brighten up your skin as well. So all I'm going to do next is just mix it very well so that all the powders are well blended. And I ended up using a larger jar. This ended up being too small, so just take your time to mix everything well. The next thing I'm going to do is check the pH of this face mask. So anything you make for your hair, for your skin, you always want to check the pH. The pH of your skin falls between 4.5 to 5.5. So you want to keep the products you make within that range. So all I'm going to do is weigh out a small amount of my face mask, add in some distilled water, and I'm just going to mix it very well and use my pH meter to take the reading. So if you don't have a pH meter, just use pH strips. That will also help you or give you a general idea of what the pH of this product is. They are just not as accurate as a pH meter, but you can use pH strips. And after checking the pH, the mask was at 5.24, and that is perfect for your skin. It falls within that pH. I'm going to just go ahead and package this up. This made 4.5 ounces of product. The shelf life is approximately 1 year. And just store this, keep it away from water. Make sure you don't get water in your jar. because that's going to be a breeding ground for bacteria and it will contaminate your mask. Because this does not contain any preservatives. So I'm going to show you how I use this in my skincare routine and show you my process. So to use this mask, all I do is just pour out some of the mask and then I add in my liquid. You can use any liquid of your choice. I'm using my cucumber hydrosol. You can also use water, aloe vera juice, and then I'm just going to mix it very well until it's combined properly. And to use this, I apply this on freshly washed and cleansed skin, and I just apply the mask all over my face, and then I just let it dry. Maybe wait about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I just use a warm washcloth and then I wipe everything off my face. And I also follow up with a toner. I apply that on my cotton ball just to remove any residue that might be left, especially from turmeric, because turmeric can also stain your skin. So I like to use the toner afterwards, and then I follow up with my regular routine. I apply my serum, my moisturizer, and SPF, and then I'm all done. And I love this mask. It just feels amazing on your skin. Simple to make, amazing ingredients that work wonders for your skin. So I hope you try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos I upload. And also please don't forget to like this video because that really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.